Hey there, Capricorns. Welcome to your zodiac reading. So, this is going to be your reading for January 2022. So, how I've been doing this is first, I'll look at the overall theme for the month for you in two parts, first 15 days and the remaining 15 days, and then I will look at your career and relationships separately. Okay? Okay, so let's see, Capricorns. January 2022, first 15 days, what's the theme for you? First 15 days, Capricorn. Mending. Things that were not done properly, you're fixing that now. And I also feel that you see a path now which allows you to fix it. And it's a divinely guided path. You are receptive to the signals from the universe right now, Capricorn. And I'm actually seeing that you can do it. I'm being pushed to say this, that yes, you can do it. Okay? So the whole thing over here is that whether you can or you cannot, okay? Like, how can you do this and what can you do? That way is the question or the need of the hour here. I'm also seeing that you might be getting signs in a lot of ways, okay, this or that, and you get your answers. So, first 15 days, just be very receptive to the signals that the universe is sending to you. Okay? Let's see the remaining 15 days, Capricorns, for you. How does it look? Chop wood. Okay, this came out for Virgos also. Okay, so here I'm seeing make those changes slowly, one day at a time. You're taking one day at a time. Earth signs, I think your theme this time for January is to be slow and steady. Here I'm seeing that you got to be a little patient with yourself in dealing with things, doing things, okay? And I know that the realizations are hitting very hard, but taking steps is on you. And the way you should take steps is slow and gradual. Okay? Now, let's see your career in January 2022. Your career in January 2022. Strength. 3 of Pentacles. 7 of Swords. And the Fool. Okay, just be a little bit careful about your decisions. Be mature. There is a chance that, you know, someone whom you've partnered with or who you trust with can be not very trustworthy. And this exactly I'm seeing at work only. Somebody who you really trust, somebody who you feel can be your work partner, okay? Maybe just be a little open to scrutinizing things a little more right now, because I'm not seeing that person to be bad or anything, but just spend more time understanding this person. Capricorns, I don't know. If this is resonating, you would know. Just be a little careful before trusting people. Simple. Don't be foolish in actually deciding and just going ahead and trusting people randomly. Okay? Just be a little careful about who are you trusting and how much are you trusting them. All right? Okay. So that's for your career. Now let me see, how do your relationships look like for January 2022. Your relationships for January 2022, Capricorns. Seven of Sacred Circles, the Star. This is a wonderfully beautiful deck. The World, wow. Oh. The World, Five of Swords. Okay. So here, guys, I am seeing that you have to end a particular situation. Oh God, I talk about ending and the Tower is here. You have to end it. Okay? You have to end a particular situation that is not working in your favor anymore. And this only you will have to do, because you are not being honest with yourself somewhere. Capricorns. You're actually doing the work unknowingly, but you're also being dishonest with yourself, and that could be the reason for a lot of problems. Now I am seeing that you're coming, I mean, you're thinking from a very, very practical frame of mind, which is not a shock for me because you're a Capricorn. But the whole thing here is that the matters of the heart usually are not practical. I see that the moment you take this decision, it is going to be difficult for you, but it is the need of the hour. Let's see what is the advice to you from the runes. Array? Back to back, I had this rune come out thrice for all the earth signs. You guys are resisting change at this point of time somehow. I don't know what's up with you, Earth signs. I just finished all the 3 readings for the 3 zodiacs for 2022 January. And this is the same rune that is coming up. And it's not like I'm not. Uh, there is something about resistance to change. But because you're not looking at the brighter side of things at this stage. Don't resist change, Capricorn. You're resisting change. What's ahead on the other side is something beautiful. And I also pick this is infinity symbol. This is to happen. Number 8 is very significant for you. And I have the strength here already in your reading. So, number 8, the star is number 8. So, number 8 is very significant for you at this point. So, you got to understand that you are the one who can do this. Now, if this is resonating, you would know. Look at things from a higher dimension, Capricorns, because here I am seeing that you are deceiving yourself in terms of your relationship. Obviously, for the career part of it, I told you use your intuition and don't trust anybody randomly. But for your relationships, I'm seeing that you are operating from a very practical space. Matters of the heart have to be operated from the heart. Do that, okay? Take care, and I will talk to you soon. Hope this resonated. Let me know in the comments. Also, guys, runes readings are open, so you can have a look at my website to see and book one if you want to. Take care, and I hope this gives you a message. All right? Bye-bye.